Let's see about human internal organs. The brain. Brain is the largest organ in the central nervous system. Brain is the complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. Brain and spinal cord together forms the central nervous system. Brain is located in the cranial cavity. Thyroid is an endocrine gland which consists of two lobes. Thyroid is a small butterfly shaped gland located at the front of the neck under the skin. It is a part of endocrine system and controls many of the body's important functions by producing certain hormones. Thyroid's main job is to control the speed of the metabolic rate, which is the process of how our body transforms the food we consume into energy. All of the cells in our body need energy to function. Lungs are the part of the respiratory system. Lungs are the pair of spongy pinkish grey organ located in the thoracic cavity. When we inhale, that is breathe in, air enters the lungs and the oxygen from the air moves to the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from blood to the lungs and is breathed out. Heart. Heart is located in the thoracic cavity. It is the main organ of the cardiovascular system, which is a network of blood vessels that pumps blood throughout the body. It also works with the other body systems to control the heart rate and blood pressure. Stomach. Stomach is a hollow muscular organ located in the abdominal cavity. It is an important organ and the most dilated portion of the digestive system. The esophagus precedes it and the small intestine follows. Stomach secretes certain enzymes that helps in digestion. Liver and gallbladder. Liver is a reddish brown wedge-shaped organ located below the lungs in the right upper abdomen. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It is an essential organ that performs many important functions that includes removing waste products and foreign substances from the bloodstream. Liver secretes a product called bile. Gallbladder is a small pear-shaped organ on the right side of the abdomen just beneath the liver. Its main function is to store bile. It is important to understand that bile is produced by the liver and it is stored in the gallbladder. The spleen and pancreas. Spleen is a small organ located in the left rib cage, just above the stomach. Its main function is to act as a filter for the blood. It recognizes and removes old, malformed, or damaged red blood cells. Pancreas is an organ and a gland. Gland are the organs that produce and release substances in the body. It performs two functions, the endocrine and the exocrine function. As an exocrine function, it produces substance that is the enzyme that helps in digestion. Endocrine function releases hormones that control the amount of sugar in the bloodstream. Pancreas is located behind the stomach. It extends from second part of the duodenum to the hilum of the spleen. There is a duct called the pancreatic duct which runs along the length of the pancreas. It drains the pancreatic fluid from the gland and carries it to the duodenum. The small intestine and the large intestine. Small intestine is also called as a small bowel. It is a specialized tubular structure between the stomach and the large intestine. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients needed for the body and get rid of unnecessary components. This small intestine is divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The length of small intestine in a human adult is about 6.5 meters to 7 meters on an average. The large intestine is responsible for processing indigestible food material, that is chyme. It is used to absorb water and salts from the indigestible food. The large intestine consists of four parts: the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. The large intestine extends from cecum to the rectum. The urinary system. The urinary system consists of a pair of kidneys and ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, located just below the rib cage, one on each side of the spine. Kidneys are a filter system that removes waste from the blood and return the cleaned blood back to the body. Kidney excretes the waste product that is called as a urine, is carried via the ureter and is stored in the urinary bladder and it is emptied. The reproductive organs. The reproductive organs are located in the pelvis. There is a male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs includes the penis, scrotum, testes, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate and seminal vesicles. It is used to produce androgen such as testosterone that promotes spermatogenesis and transport to the female reproductive organ for fertilization. The female reproductive organs includes the uterus, fallopian tube, ovaries, cervix and vagina. Its function is to menstruate, reproduce and involve in sexual activity. These are the organs present in the human body.